It's in the pictures here in the lobby.
The old Bank of America. Lynchburg.
This is what they used to be.
Oh wow, that would have been a lot cooler. Look at that.
The other one you can see out the windows.
Oh, I remember seeing these on your channel a long time ago.
Still sound epic. Alright, send it up to 11. We'll switch in the lobby. 801 Main Street.
These could have been made glass.
Yep, there's another one.
Cat food here. It smells like freshly, like new wood or something.
You can see out this one too. See, look. So you can see out down there.
Not really. Look at that. That's the best you're gonna see. Yeah, look, it could have easily been made glass.
All right, we won't ride the other one because it'll never right in someone's office.
Wow.
These are pretty cool elevators, aren't they?
Yeah.
Look at that, Otis. These used to be black, but look at the doors.
Those are cool. I like those indicators. You have one of those too.
And this is what they used to look like. Look at that.
That would have been a lot better. All
See
right.
here, look over. See the mailbox?
There's the mailbox is still there.
Look over here.
There's the steps.
Locked.
That's a fail. All right, well that'll be it.